Hi, my name is Gopika. I have recently completed my Master in Data Science program, certificate program from GUVI. I come from a civil engineering background, and right now I've been selected as a data engineer in a company called MetricBase. And the process has been actually challenging, of course, but rewarding as well. Thanks to GUVI for its continuous and effective support and training throughout. And speaking about the the program in the GUVI, it essentially started with trying to get a good foundation in Python coding. So along with the regular classes that we had, we were also provided with access to an effective platform like Gopika, which consists of hundreds and hundreds of coding-based questions. So I think attending questions in these platforms, like for 4 to 5 questions a day, helped to boost my confidence a lot. And we were also given chances to clear our doubts in a lot of doubt clearing sessions in time to time, so no one was left with any doubts. And further, we also had series of classes on other data science related tools like MongoDB, NumPy, Pandas, other data visualization tools, and machine learning algorithms. So overall, the classes were a mixture of both hands-on practical as well as in-depth theoretical understandings. And never did I ever feel that I lacked something simply because I came from a different background. For this, I'm really thankful to the teachers who took the classes, like Sanathan sir, Kaushik sir, Netaji sir, Yuvraj sir, and all the other teachers for making this process more meaningful and inspiring throughout. And about the placements, it was actually rounds of mock tests as well as mock interviews to get a fair idea about how the placement actually take place in the real world companies. What I personally felt was the team was trying to update themselves effectively by consulting relevant firms as well as the students who had experienced these placements throughout, time to time. And the number of the companies that was coming to us through GUVI was also huge. So it was actually a relief to know that we had a lot of options, and it was a matter of our perseverance and hard work with which we could gain our goal. And finally, one of the most enjoyable part was the effective interaction between the placement teams and the coordinators during the time of the placement process. The amount of guidance they gave and the support was actually very helpful in uplifting my confidence during the time of placements, during the time of my ups and downs in the placements. It was what I felt was it was a collective effort rather than being a solo performer here. And for this, I'm really thankful to GUVI and all the teams in the GUVI. Thank you.